waiting for My Boogie Shoes. They're all in line. And they're off. And a very even start. Diamonds in the Sky is flashing speed. My Boogie Shoes there from the extreme outside. Shorty Puffs is just in behind the leaders. And Heavenly Beauty is down along the rail. Then it's Hello Poochie Poo. Brotherly Love will have to pass them all. She's got about 5 lengths to make up as they move up the backstretch run. Diamonds in the Sky and Junior Alvarado show the way. They're just off the rail, leading about a length. Shorty Puffs is getting closer from second. Heavenly Beauty has room down at the inside. My Boogie Shoes is back to fourth. Hello Poochie Poo moving through between fillies. And down on the rail, Brotherly Love remains the trailer, now only 4 lengths from front to back as they move for the far turn. Diamonds in the Sky, unpressured going into the turn. It's Diamonds in the Sky is still leading about a length right now. Shorty Puffs is in the second spot. Heavenly Beauty is pushed along from the rail. She's got to do a little bit better as My Boogie Shoes moves up to join her in third. And now only 2 lengths off the lead. And from the back of the pack, Brotherly Love is trying to get involved. They wind up to the top of the lane. It's Diamonds in the Sky, still the clear leader. Diamonds in the Sky well off the rail, but she's also in front by about 2. Heavenly Beauty trying to move through on the inside. Shorty Puffs has to do a little bit better. On the far outside is Brotherly Love. They come down to mid-stretch. Diamonds in the Sky showing the way. Diamonds in the Sky, Heavenly Beauty. Shorty Puffs on her outside. And Diamonds in the Sky will take them all the way today. Shorty Puffs was second, Heavenly Beauty, and Hello Poochie Poo.